Hello guys! Welcome back to the channel. Love the taste of authentic BBQ but hate the hassle of charcoal and wood logs? You're in the right place. In this guide, we've tested the top 5 electric smokers that deliver that perfect wood fire flavor with just the push of a button. Let's find the ultimate smoker to turn your backyard into a pro BBQ pit. Product number 1. Ninja Woodfire Pro XL Outdoor Grill and Smoker. The Ninja Woodfire Pro XL is the full-sized flagship of the electric smoking world. It is a 4-in-1 powerhouse that handles grilling, BBQ smoking, air frying, and baking with industrial precision. The Pro XL designation refers to its expanded capacity, making it perfect for those who need to cook for large groups without the footprint of a traditional offset smoker. Its standout feature is the integrated wood fire technology, which uses a specialized convection fan to circulate smoke from real wood pellets. The build quality is exceptional, designed to withstand outdoor elements while offering the digital accuracy of a high-end kitchen appliance. It includes a built-in thermometer that monitors the internal temperature of your meat in real time, eliminating the guesswork. For the outdoor enthusiast who wants the mechanical reliability of electric heat with the authentic flavor of wood smoke, the Pro XL is an unbeatable, versatile investment.
Product number 2. Ninja Woodfire Outdoor Grill and Smoker 6-in-1 OG321. The OG321 model is the multi-utility workstation for outdoor chefs, offering 6-in-1 functionality: grill, smoke, bake, roast, air fry, and broil. This unit is designed to replace an entire suite of outdoor appliances. It utilizes the same authentic wood fire technology as the Pro XL, but in a more compact, portable layout. This makes it the ideal choice for balcony grilling, RV trips, or small patio setups. The electric heating element provides a steady, flicker-free heat source that is far more reliable than gas or charcoal in windy conditions. The OG321 excels at creating a smoke ring and bark that was previously thought impossible with electric units. Its weather-resistant construction ensures it can live on your deck year-round. For the user who values a 10-keyless compact design but still wants every possible feature and function, the OG321 offers the best feature per square inch ratio on the market.
Product number 3. Ninja Woodfire Outdoor Grill and Smoker 4-in-1 OG301. The OG301 is the streamlined, essential version of Ninja's smoking line. By focusing on the core 4-in-1 functions, grill, smoke, bake, and roast, it provides a more focused user experience for those who don't need the extra air frying or broiling bells and whistles. It retains the powerful 100% electric heat source and the pellet-burning smoke box that delivers that coveted wood fire flavor. This model is particularly praised for its plug-and-play simplicity. Much like a high-quality linear switch keyboard, it provides a smooth, consistent performance every time you turn it on. The heat recovery time is remarkably fast, ensuring that your food cooks evenly, even if you frequently peek under the hood. For the backyard griller who wants an easy entry point into the world of electric smoking without sacrificing the quality of the finish, the OG301 is a durable, high-value workhorse. Product number 4. Liand Heavy Duty All-Steel Smoker Stand. Every high-end setup needs a solid foundation, and the Liand Heavy Duty Smoker Stand is the high-grade aluminum chassis of the smoker world. This is an all-steel, universal mobile base designed to lift vertical and digital electric smokers off the ground to a more ergonomic height. This reduces back strain and makes monitoring your cook as comfortable as typing on a perfectly angled keyboard. The standout feature here is the 5-inch heavy-duty casters. These wheels allow you to move a heavy smoker across uneven patio stones or decks with ease, while the locking mechanism ensures it stays rock solid once in place. The all-steel construction is powder-coated to prevent rust, matching the longevity of the smokers it supports. For owners of vertical electric smokers who are tired of crouching down to check their brisket, this stand is a mandatory ergonomic upgrade.
Product number 5. Masterbuilt 40-inch vertical BBQ smoker cover. Protection is the final piece of the professional smoker puzzle. The Masterbuilt 40-inch vertical smoker cover is the hard-shell carrying case for your outdoor gear. Crafted from heavy-duty, weather-resistant polyester, this cover is designed to fit all Masterbuilt 40-inch vertical models perfectly. It features a PVC inner lining that prevents moisture from seeping through, protecting the sensitive digital electronics found in modern electric smokers. The fit is snug and secure, utilizing a drawstring toggle to prevent the wind from catching it. The fade-resistant fabric ensures that the cover and your smoker looks brand new for years, even under direct UV exposure. In the world of electric smoking, moisture is the enemy of the circuit board. This cover acts as the primary defense system. It is a small but critical investment for anyone looking to protect their smoker's build quality from the harsh realities of the outdoors.